Hi there, my name is Dustin Monke. I am the marketing manager for Baker Boy. We're a bakery manufacturer in Dickinson, North Dakota that's been around for more than 65 years. We make more than 300 products, but today I'm here to introduce you to what we feel is probably our best new product for C-stores. Now that is the Donut Hole branded individually wrapped donuts. As you can see right here, here is our glazed ring donut, the most popular donut in America. Now this is a donut that is a food service quality donut for your store, individually wrapped. All of our individually wrapped donuts come frozen, fully finished, ready to thaw and serve. We are the first company in North America to manufacture a filled ring donut. You get the magic ring donuts when you come to Baker Boy. Raspberry filling in this one, chocolate and cream filling in this one. There's filling in every bite of these ring donuts. We also have more traditional donuts as part of this line. We have a blueberry cake and a, wrong one, plain cake donut. These are, they're your more basic donuts. Part of our magic ring line is the apple-filled magic ring. This is a delicious donut filled with whole grain, uniced with apple filling inside. Don't let the looks fool you. This is one of our most popular donuts that we make. Doesn't matter what segment it's in, people love it. We also offer a glazed old-fashioned donut. And what donut line in the Midwest isn't complete without a maple long john? Again, my name is Dustin Monke. I'm with Baker Boy. Our Donut Hole individually wrapped donut line has been one of the hottest product launches in our company's 65-year history. It is a great way to kind of get over that labor hurdle, that food service prep hurdle that may be hampering you right now. Everyone's hurting for labor. We're here to be your solution on that. Again, 8 different donuts in this line, all food service quality with a 2-day shelf life at minimum. Some of them you can probably get 3 on, but we like to say 2 days. Again, my name is Dustin. I'm with Baker Boy. You can call us at 701-225-4444 or email us at info@bakerboy.com for more information. Thank you.